Hey, my fellow foodies. Today, we're going to talk about something that I'm sure many of you can relate to, the struggle of finding time to cook when you're always on the go. But don't worry, because I've got some amazing 5-minute recipes that are perfect for busy food lovers like you. So, let's dive right in and explore these quick and easy recipes that will satisfy your hunger without taking up too much of your precious time. First up, we have the classic grilled cheese sandwich. It's a timeless favorite that can be whipped up in just a few minutes. All you need is some bread, butter, and cheese. Simply spread the butter on both sides of the bread, add your favorite cheese, and pop it in the pan. In no time at all, you'll have a delicious and comforting meal. Next, we have the classic tuna melt. This is another quick and easy option that's perfect for a quick lunch. Simply open a can of tuna, mix it with some mayonnaise, and spread it on a piece of bread. Top it off with some cheese and pop it in the oven. In just a few minutes, you'll have a satisfying and filling meal. And last but not least, we have the classic microwave mac and cheese. This is a lifesaver when you're short on time. Simply pop a microwavable mac and cheese in the microwave, and in just a few minutes, you'll have a comforting and satisfying meal. So there you have it, folks. 3 quick and easy recipes that are perfect for busy food lovers. I hope you found this video helpful and that you'll give these recipes a try. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more delicious recipes and cooking tips. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!